Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update. Open the link which is going to be in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this. It's still loading. I think influencerpeep.com. You can see various options in the header section like staking, media, who is influencer peep, tokenomics, how to buy, roadmap, FAQs, and their Telegram, their Twitter, their Instagram, their YouTube. Click their official links to join their official accounts to get the latest updates about influencer peep. Here is the buy now option. Influencer peep, the meme superstar, the first Web3 meme token powering the $25 billion influencer economy. Join early and secure the best price before the next price jump. Stake and earn 3.845% APY in passive income. Buy in peep tokens now. The pre-sale will end in 4 hours, 40 minutes and 43 seconds. Like first of all, connect your wallet, then purchase with your token. I receive around 1.4 billion in PEEP in exchange of 1 Ethereum. The price will raise in 4 hours. I told you about it. As featured in Binance, CoinMarketCap, Cointelegraph, Crypto Potato, Crypto Daily, Crypto Slate, The Crypto Times, like this. What top crypto influencer says about InPeep? Click the videos to see the video what influencer says about us. InPeep is making headline be part of the future influencer peep show. Here you can see InPeep, the influencer peep. Who is influencer peep? Influencer Peep is the ultimate meme superstar, the leader of all famous memes, setting trends the world follows. Just as influencers shape real life culture, in Peep is revolutionizing the meme economy, uniting brands, agencies, and investors in a Web3 powered movement. Here is the white paper. Token audit is done by Coinsult and Solid Proof. You can see by just clicking on it. The first meme token that merges influencer marketing with crypto, giving investors real passive income while transforming how brands and agencies pay influencers with in-peep currency. Read the white paper to know the full story. Just click on white paper to read the white paper. Who controls the memes controls the universe, Elon Musk said in 2020. Here is brand and agencies gives monies to the influencers, give. What is the InPeep Web3 influencer platform? InPeep is the first Web3 platform revolutionizing influencer marketing by connecting influencers, brands, and investors through blockchain, becoming the primary payment method for the $25 billion industry. For influencers, get sponsorships, collaborate with brands, and earn rewards in PEEP, the currency you get paid with, offering fast, hassle-free payments via blockchain. For brands and agencies, launch influencer campaigns, track performance, and pay influencers seamlessly using in-PEEP smart contracts, ensuring efficiency, security, and global accessibility. As adoption increases, in-PEEP will become an industry standard currency, pushing its market cap past other meme tokens and revolutionizing influencer marketing forever. Meme power plus real utility is equal to in-PEEP. How will influencer PEEP disrupt and dominate the influencer marketing industry? Instant payments, no middleman, global reach, transparent data. With InPeep as a standard currency for influencer marketing, the industry will evolve into a fully decentralized, efficient, and trustless ecosystem. The $25 billion opportunity, why InPeep is the next 100x meme coins. I already told you about it. Let's compare the numbers. Peep $5 billion market cap ranked number 29. Doge $47 billion market cap ranked number 8. InPeep mission to dominate and surpass Peep, then Dodge. $25 billion plus, negative $48 billion plus influencer in an industry value 2025 to 2027. Just click buy now to buy in Peep. I already told you how to purchase in Peep at the first. Here is the tokenomics pre-sale 27.5%, staking 27.5%, marketing 20%, liquidity pool 15%, development and ecosystem is 10%. Here is the how to buy in Peep, the roadmap, how to buy, create your MetaMask wallet, load wallet with crypto. You are now an in Peep investor. Buy now, just click buy now to buy now. Roadmap phase growth strategy. In phase 1, explosive awareness for 30 days. Phase 2, growth and adoption month second and third. Why invest now? Early buyers get the lowest price before public trading. Price increases at every phase. Do not wait until it's too late. Massive marketing push plus exchange listings is equal to major potential gains. Do not miss out the next meme coin revolution. Join the NP movement today. Just click buy now to buy this token. I already told you how to buy. Connect your wallet, then select your coin you want to swap in exchange of NP. Select the amount and you will get the this amount of NP in your wallet. Hope so you understand the video. If you understand the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.